So welcome to my video that I think that you have seen in the first part that how we have installed the Photoshop 7.0 in 2026. So we are going to install this in this video. So choose your file where it is installed. Mine is installed in downloads. We will go to this PC and downloads. Now you will open the Photoshop Adobe Photoshop file. Now you can check there are three files. So first one is setup one. Now look very careful where I am touching. This setup one is the code one. This is for only code. You can check the code. Notepad code is there. So I am going to open this. Notepad is selected now. Just once I am going to open it. This is our code, and this is for 32-bit PC. When you will run it, after some time it will run in your 32-bit PC. Now the pop-up will come. So this program might not have been installed correctly. 32-bit this is for 32-bit device. So cross it, or the now what you need to do, now go to setup of this PC. Here you will get setup. Now click here, pop-up will come and Adobe Photoshop 7.0 is going to be installed. Now agree all thing, make a default everything, agree, accept. Now come to this page and look very carefully. Back to the page of Photoshop download. Now you will get this to file. Now open the notepad file. After that there is a serial number. Put it in serial number slot, one by one, or select all, or put. When I am doing, simply like and subscribe. If you like this video, then subscribe and share it wherever you want. Now last one is left. So what we will do, simply copy and paste it. Now finish. You can change your name also. So I will write CC or CCC. Make it yes. Now make it default. No need to do anything. Just simply next. This one is also default. Next. Next. Now your installation process will is in going. Now your installing process in progress. Wait for some times to be installed. So it is about to be downloaded, 80% done. so it is completed. Now make a default and finish. Okay, now you will back to your home page. Now open start bar and you can check Photoshop 7.0 me to are there, file are there. Like and subscribe, and first one is your video file and second one is your photo. Like and subscribe for next more interesting videos. Thank you. I will provide the link in the description box where you can download the Photoshop in your desktop. Like and subscribe.